During the recent European Seller Conference in Prague, which we organized with Orange Click team, we interviewed 4 Amazon experts asking for tips for Prime Day, which we could share with you, with Amazon sellers. And these 4 experts were Tomer Rabinovich, Chris Rawlings, Anthony Cofrancesco, and Stephen Pope. So watch this video, get the tips, implement them, and have a successful Prime Day. Don't forget to like this video as well. Do you have any great and good tip for Amazon Prime Days?
Yeah, so I think anything like Prime Day or Q4 or those type of holiday times is the time to make profit. Don't try to rank, don't drop your price and sell as many units as you can, because you won't be able to rank anyway during that day. So the entire goal of Prime Day is to make as much profit as possible. I would recommend don't do crazy deals, or unless you have a Prime Day deal, you can do that as long as it makes profit. But don't try to lower your price drastically or do anything that is too crazy. And also watch your PPC spend during that day and limit your budget so you're not overspending like crazy. Focus on profiting.
Yeah, for Prime Day, so a lot of people don't know that on mobile, which is 3/4 of all Amazon traffic happens on mobile, you can actually change the size of your mobile listing thumbnail. So a regular mobile listing thumbnail might take up this much space on the Amazon app, but you can bump it to take up almost half the whole screen, almost double what the average size is, by adding the Climate Pledge Friendly badge, the small business badge, a clickable coupon, a strike-through price, the subscribe and save also bumps it. There are a few other factors that bump up the size of the listing. But if you get that, the more traffic that comes to Amazon, you're more likely to win the click. So a lot of people focus on conversion rate, but when it comes to these big traffic moments, the main thing you need to get first, before you even worry about conversion, is the click. So everything that helps you win the click is the thing you want to focus on these big traffic days.
I don't think Prime Day is as important as most people think. And so my tip for you is stop worrying about it. Sincerely, it's going to steal sales from the other days of the week during Prime Day. And you're going to look at the metrics and you're like, the week is static between the first week before and the week after it. So why? What's the big fuss about this? So instead of, just don't worry about it. What I can tell you though is that if you focus on your main image and you really consider how is somebody going to get to your listing to begin with, this tip is good for not just Prime Day, it's good for ever. CTR is the most important thing on Amazon in 2023. You need to focus on click-through rate and getting people to your listing to begin with. You can't just rely upon a Prime Day holiday.
Yeah, just be prepared early. Make sure that your listings are optimized in advance, right? You're going to see a lot more sales volume during Prime Day, so make sure you're in a position that you can take advantage of all of the extra traffic that you're going to be able to get.
During this event, we talked to each of these industry leaders for a longer time, and we got even more tips and recommendations. So stay tuned for another video on our channel where we feature all these Amazon experts. We hope you will learn even more from them. So don't forget to subscribe to our channel, hit the notification bell. And now I would invite you to watch another video where we interviewed Bradley Sutton from Helium 10 at the same European Seller Conference in Prague.